is my set of the week. My set of the week comes from a play that I designed last year when coaching college as the lead assistant at the university that I was coaching at, that we won the state championship. It was a play used as a counter, only used if we needed it at the end of a game. To understand how this play was developed, we originally would flatten the floor out and and then we would have a double high ball screen from the 4 or the 5 to create action when the shot clock was going down. But you could utilize this as a awesome way even at the high school level or at the collegiate level. I think it's a little bit complex for middle school, but I think it can be done in high school, and I think it can be done at the collegiate level as well. When you are a person that utilizes a lot of high ball screen action, this is a great counter to that. So we would only use this if we needed it at the end of a game. That's why we call it victory. It would only be used as a quick bucket at the end of the game, or a big shot that was needed. So the play would start with the 4 and 5 looking to set the high ball screen. Originally in the normal play of this, the ball screen would be set by the 4 and the 5, and then they would roll and one would pop. But here they're going to double slip, and they're going to look to set a pin down screen for the 2-man in the corner. This is the first phase of the play. Second phase of the play is if the 2-man does not get the ball for that shot, then the 1-man is looking for a dribble handoff for the 3-man coming across the lane for the ball. And so you can either look for that too, or if there's not action doesn't look good, then the 1-man is going to dribble towards the 3 for a dribble handoff action, and the 1-man is going to then break to the basket. After that, the 3-man looks to swing the ball to the 2 if needed, whether that is a shot that is unfolded or it needs to be as reversal. And then this is where there's a second layer of this play, which we would probably not get into unless there was more time on than 10 seconds, which would be the option of here. You would look at another immediate pin down screen for the 1 for a jump shot, as another opportunity for a jump shot. Late in the game, they need a quick shot. And then the last action would be, if we couldn't get it to this side, the 1 would be coming across for a double screen action for the 1. For realization, though, all of this stuff is happening very quickly, and it's a bunch of different screen actions to create an open shot, or somebody overcommitting, which could create a drive. Either way, it has a lot of action. It's something that you would have to totally be able to do through multiple practices to be good at. But it's a great counter to a high ball screen action if you run it a lot in your offense, because of the double slip. The players aren't ready for that, which they're going to be it's going to distort the defense early in the set, which then you're going to get an option, whether it's a double pin down from the left side to the handoff ball screen action, the roll to another screen to another screen. Somebody's going to be open for a shot, especially if you need a bucket to lead you to victory or a tie or to get close. That is my set for the week. Look forward to providing different sets on a weekly basis for teachhoops.com. Thank you.